Got a minute? Because that's all it will take for you to have 7 content-packed digital products live and getting traffic. Not even 1 per minute. I'm talking about having all 7 ready in less than 1 minute from now. MinuteKit cuts out having to research, create, write, design, upload files, or do anything technical. And by activating one simple setting, you'll have 7 complete products with a high converting lead magnet, download and delivery pages, multiple upsell offers, downsell offers, and an enticing cross-sell process, selling $9.97, $27, and $47 products with handwritten emails you don't have to even set up, edit, or customize in any way. But that's just the beginning. After someone subscribes to any one of your 7 funnel entry points, they'll get 30 days of handwritten, hosted, and automatically delivered emails that follow up to close sales of your funnel's products. Once that 30 days is over, our team finds perfectly matched products from hot upcoming launches and proven high converting evergreen affiliate offers. We review the products, create bonuses, and send handcrafted email promotions to your subscribers, adding your affiliate links in every single email. Does it work? You betcha! We've been building funnels and managing people's lists for over 12 years, seeing complete beginners get their first leads and sales, and affiliate marketing pros see random commissions popping up from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank dropping in after adding one of our done-for-you banners to a download page or a bonus page, or copy and pasting one of our done-for-you email swipes to share a gift with their subscribers months ago. We've made hundreds of profitable funnels and managed lists for thousands of people. So while this isn't our first, I can definitely say this bundle is absolutely the best we've ever released, letting anyone, no matter what the skill level, enter the internet marketing space confidently in under a minute. But what if you want to build lists and get sales in a niche we haven't covered in this bundle, or something outside of internet marketing entirely? Well, you're in luck. As an added bonus, we're giving you access to our core membership platform, FunnelMates. In fact, that's part of the reason this 7-part bundle is so simple to use, because while this collection of sales funnels is completely new, the foundation it's built on is rock solid and backed by years of development, support, and sales experience. As part of your access, you can explore our gigantic members-only marketplace and take your pick of 2 brand new done-for-you funnels at no extra charge each and every month. With over 400 to choose from and new funnels being added every day, finding what you need is a piece of cake. But what if you still can't find what you need? Well, that's okay too. When you grab MinuteKit today, we'll also include access to our cloud-based funnel builder software, templates, email sequence templates, and a whole lot more completely free of charge. So right out of the box, MinuteKit is built for you, set up, hosted, and filled with your profit links on all of the pages and inside every email. There's no complicated customization or expensive integrations, so you can activate it and let us manage it for you, sending payments directly to your JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank accounts. If you want more flexibility, our system has that too. You're able to connect your own autoresponder, webinar software, or SMS messaging tools, add your own tracking scripts, heat mapping or messenger bots, track your clicks and conversions in real time, use your own domain name, and so much more. Now, to be honest, you could do most of this on your own. You'd have to pay for hosting, domain names, autoresponder software, designers, developers, copywriters, and membership software. Then spend some time pulling it all together, creating the funnels so that they flow, crafting emails that close the sales across your collection of products, and then put all of the links in the emails, schedule them so that they go out right at the right time. Now, that's just the sales tech and the marketing side of things. The foundation of any good product is, of course, the product itself. So you need to research, create the product, and set up the members area. And make sure that your customers get what they've paid for and are really happy with the products you give them, helping them with any support issues that they might have too. Then once you've done that for one, you can start working on the other 6 product funnels. So sure, you could do it, but why would you when you can save months of frustration and thousands of dollars on something that might or might not even work? We can do it all for you in under a minute. So here's what you need to do to get started. Below this video, you'll see a button. Click that and add your payment details, and we'll create your 2 special MinuteKit accounts. The first login you'll receive gives you access to FunnelMates. Your 7 websites will be waiting for you on your funnels page. The second login you'll get is your MinuteKit training zone. Your funnels are basically ready immediately, but as you might have noticed, we love to over-deliver. So in that first video, we'll show you the button to click to get your funnels live. Then we'll show you how to activate your inbuilt traffic systems and turn your product collection into a sustainable and growing online business. It's waiting for you on the other side of that button. So click it and get started. I look forward to seeing you on the next page.